Hey, this is Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to run through the high points of Chapter 3 in your leadership text. The first one is list the University of Iowa leadership styles. So when you read this, the two main things you should pull out of this is that the University of Iowa leadership styles are autocratic and democratic. Number 2, describe similarities and differences between the University of Michigan and Ohio State University leadership models. Okay, the University of Michigan and Ohio State leadership models are similar because they are both based on the same two distinct leadership behaviors. Although the models use different names for the two behaviors, the models are different because the University of Michigan model identifies two leadership styles based on either job or employee-centered behavior. The Ohio State University model states that a leader uses high or low structure in consideration, resulting in 4 leadership style combinations of these two behaviors. Number 3, discuss similarities and differences between the Ohio State University leadership model and the leadership grid. Both theories are based on the same two leadership behaviors, but they use different names for the two dimensions. The theories are different because the leadership grid identifies 5 leadership styles, with one being middle of the road, whereas the Ohio State model identifies 4 leadership styles. The leadership grid also gives each combination of the two-dimensional behaviors one leadership style name. Number 4, discuss similarities and differences among the 3 content motivation theories. Similarities among the content motivation theories include their focus on identifying and understanding employee needs. The theories identify similar needs but are different in the way they classify the needs. Hierarchy of needs theory includes physiological, safety, belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization needs. Two-factor theory includes motivators and maintenance factors. Acquired needs theory includes achievement, power, and affiliation needs, and includes no lower-level needs as the other two theories do. Number 5, discuss the major similarities and differences among the 3 process motivation theories. The similarity among the 3 process motivation theories include their focus on understanding how employees choose behaviors to fulfill their needs. However, they are very different in their perceptions of how employees are motivated. Equity theory proposes that employees are motivated when their perceived inputs equal outputs. Expectancy theory proposes that employees are motivated when they believe they can accomplish the task and the rewards for doing so are worth the effort. Goal setting theory proposes that achievable, difficult goals motivate employees. Number 6, explain the 4 types of reinforcement. 1. Positive reinforcement provides the employee with a reward consequence for performing the desired behavior. Number 2, avoidance reinforcement encourages employees to perform the desired behavior to avoid a negative consequence. Number 3, extinction reinforcement withholds a positive consequence to get the employee to stop performing undesirable behavior. Number 4, punishment reinforcement gives the employee a negative consequence to get the employee to stop performing undesirable behavior. Number 7, the last one, state the major differences among content, process, and reinforcement theories. Content motivation theories focus on identifying and understanding employees' needs. Process motivation goes a step further to understand how employees choose behavior to fulfill their needs. Reinforcement theory is not as concerned about employee needs. It focuses on getting employees to do what managers want them to do through the consequences provided by managers for their behavior. The use of rewards is the means of motivating employees.